Many cutting boards are made with plastics or glues that can leach chemicals into your ingredients, especially when cut repeatedly. Choosing a non-toxic cutting board means healthier meals and fewer worries about what's touching your food. In this video, I'll walk you through the top non-toxic cutting boards that combine safety with durability. So, without any delay, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Ziruma non-toxic wood cutting board, a beautifully crafted and health-conscious choice for home cooks who want a classic board that's also safe and chemical-free. Wood cutting boards are prized for their natural antibacterial properties, and Ziruma takes that a step further with non-toxic finishes and sustainable hardwood. This board is finished with food-safe beeswax and organic coconut oil, giving it a protective layer that's free from harmful chemicals often found in plastic or composite boards. That means you're not exposing your food to questionable compounds every time you chop veggies or slice meat. One of the best things about wood boards like this is that they're gentle on your knives. Unlike glass or stone boards that can dull blades quickly, a hardwood surface helps preserve edge sharpness, which is important if you're buying quality kitchen knives and want them to last. The size and thickness of the board make it sturdy and reliable for everyday use, whether you're prepping dinner or putting together a charcuterie spread. Cleaning is straightforward. Just wash with warm soapy water and reapply the organic wax/oil occasionally to keep it conditioned and smelling fresh. Because it's real wood, avoid soaking it or putting it in the dishwasher. That's common care for wooden boards. While it's not as lightweight as some bamboo or plastic options, its natural materials and chemical-free finish make it a great choice for health-focused home chefs. If you want a cutting board that's classic, comfortable to use, and truly non-toxic, the Ziruma wood cutting board earns the number 5 spot. At number 4 is the titanium cutting board by Sumzzz, a truly unique and ultra-durable choice for anyone focused on long-lasting performance and totally non-toxic materials. If you're used to softer boards that show knife marks, warp, or retain odors, this titanium option will feel like a revelation. Titanium is naturally inert and non-reactive, meaning it won't leach chemicals into your food, it won't stain, and it won't hold on to bacteria or odors. That's a big deal if you're prepping everything from raw meat to herbs and don't want residue lingering in your kitchen gear. Another major benefit is durability. This board is virtually scratch-proof with daily kitchen use, and it won't hybridize with oils, acids, or moisture like wood or bamboo boards can over time. That makes it ideal if you want one board that lasts for many years without warping, cracking, or needing constant maintenance. Cleaning is incredibly simple. Titanium doesn't absorb water or food particles, so all it takes is a rinse and wipe. There's no need for conditioners, oils, or special cleaning solutions to maintain its safety. One trade-off is weight and feel. Because titanium is a dense metal, this board is heavier than most wooden or bamboo boards, and some cooks may miss the give that a wood surface provides. Additionally, knives may dull a bit faster compared to cutting on wood, since metal is less forgiving under blade pressure. But if your priority is non-toxic material, longevity, and hygienic performance, the titanium cutting board by Sumzzz is a standout choice, especially for minimalist cooks who want a single board that lasts decades. Coming in at number 3 is the Socisen stainless steel cutting board, a heavy-duty, ultra-safe board that's perfect for kitchens where versatility and hygiene are top priorities. Stainless steel is inherently non-porous and non-toxic, which means it won't harbor bacteria, mold, or odors like some wooden or bamboo boards can over time. That's a major advantage if you're prepping raw meats, seafood, and vegetables on the same surface. You won't have to worry about porous grooves trapping juices and bacteria. This board's construction makes it highly durable and ideal for frequent cooking. It resists stains, heat, and odors, meaning it stays looking clean and performs consistently even after years of use. Unlike plastic boards that can get deep knife scratches, which harbor bacteria, stainless steel boards are easier to sanitize thoroughly. Another standout feature is how easy it is to clean. Stainless steel doesn't absorb food or liquids, so all that's required is a thorough rinse, soap, and water. It also works well with high heat environments, so if you're handling hot pans, you can use it as a quick, heat-deflecting surface in a pinch. Some cooks worry that stainless steel is too hard on knives, but in reality, moderate use shouldn't prematurely dull quality kitchen blades. If you're frequently cutting dense foods or heavier proteins, a steel board's stability and cleanliness may be worth the trade-off. At number 2 is the SMIRLY bamboo cutting board, a beautifully balanced choice for anyone who wants a natural, eco-friendly, and non-toxic cutting surface. Bamboo cutting boards have grown in popularity because they're sustainably sourced, lightweight, and naturally antimicrobial. Bamboo fibers resist bacteria growth more effectively than traditional wood boards, and because bamboo is a fast-renewing material, it's considered one of the more environmentally friendly options available. If reducing waste and choosing earth-friendly materials matter to you, this board delivers on both performance and sustainability. The SMIRLY board's surface is firm enough to stand up to everyday knife use, yet it's gentle enough that it won't dull your blades quickly like harder surfaces sometimes do. That makes it great for slicing vegetables, chopping herbs, and prepping proteins without worrying about rapid knife wear. Another advantage is its dual-side design. One side can be used for meats and the other for produce, which helps avoid cross-contamination without needing multiple boards. The board's generous size gives you plenty of room for meal prep, and the recessed juice groove prevents messy spills, especially when drawing citrus or handling juicy ingredients. Cleaning is straightforward. Just hand wash with warm, soapy water and dry immediately to help preserve the board over time. Occasionally treating the board with a food-safe oil can help maintain its lustrous look and prevent cracking. And claiming the number 1 spot as the best non-toxic cutting board is the Epicurion all-in-one cutting board, a versatile, high-performance choice that's ideal for nearly every kitchen and lifestyle. What sets Epicurion apart is its premium wood composite material made from sustainable wood fibers and safe resin, a combination that's inherently non-toxic, knife-friendly, and highly durable. This board gives you the best of every world: the hygiene of non-porous surfaces, the aesthetic warmth of wood, and cutting surface resilience that resists deep knife grooves. One major advantage is its all-in-one design, meaning you don't need separate boards for meat, veggies, or bread. The surface stays sanitary because it doesn't absorb juices or odors the way traditional wood can. That makes it especially great for everyday meal prep, families, and home chefs who juggle multiple ingredients in one cooking session. Epicurean boards also handle heat well. You can use them as a trivet for hot pots and pans. They're dishwasher safe too, which is a big convenience upgrade over wood and bamboo boards that require hand washing only. The textured surface gives just enough grip for chopping, while still being gentle on your knives. And because it's made from wood fiber composites rather than plastic, you're not exposing your food to toxic substances that can leach over time. If you want a non-toxic, durable, versatile, and easy-to-care-for cutting board that performs day in and day out, the Epicurion all-in-one cutting board is the clear number 1 choice on our list.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!